Children, let's take one more sum. What this particular sum says: an ice cream pot has a right circular cylindrical shape. The radius of the base is 12 centimeter and its height is 8 centimeter. The pot is completely filled with ice cream. The moment they say the pot is completely filled with ice cream, what we are supposed to consider? We are supposed to consider is its volume. So we have an ice cream cylindrical pot completely filled with ice cream. The dimensions have been given to us. I can easily find out the volume. Further, the question adds on, the entire ice cream is given to the students in the form of cone, right circular cone, having diameter of open portion 4 centimeter. Diameter of the open portion, the above portion is 4 centimeter and the height is 3 centimeter. If each student is given one cone, how many students can be served? Children, if I have to understand this particular question, need not draw diagram for every case. It's only for better understanding is what I am drawing these kind of diagrams. Say this is nothing but the ice cream, cylindrical ice cream pot, whose radius is given to me as 12 centimeter. Radius is 12 centimeter and the perpendicular height is given to me as 8 centimeter. Right? Now this is completely filled with ice cream. So I'm going to find out the volume. Now there lies small cones. The ice cream from the pot needs to be filled in this cone. The diameter of the open portion, they are talking about this diameter, 4 centimeter. So what is the radius? Radius is 2 centimeter. And the height is 3 centimeter. Height is 3 centimeter. Can I get the volume of this also? We want to find out number of students. Children, we have just done one sum. We have done one sum whereby which I told you the general formula for number. Whenever you want to find out number of something, what we shall do? Volume of big upon volume of each small, didn't I? So whenever you want to find out number, we say volume of big upon volume of each small. In this case, we want to find out number of students. Who is bigger over here? Cylindrical pot. Who is smaller over here? Each cone. So volume of cone, cylinder upon volume of each cone will give me my number of students. One more tip is what I told you. What was that tip? If you don't remember, I shall tell you right now once again. Whenever you have to find out such sums, number sums, we will never ever go for any calculation. We shall not calculate the volume of each portion, right? Maximum things will get cancels off. I'll tell you what I mean by saying this. My solution is, first, for cylindrical ice cream pot, what is the radius of base? Radius, I'm writing capital R. Why? We have two figures over here, one being cylinder, other being cone. Children, just keep this in mind that when we have multiple figures, two or more than that, and we have same parameters such as radius, height, it is our duty to give different letters. Either you say capital letter, small letter, or you go for some kind of suffixes, R1, R2, R3, likewise, right? Radius capital R is 12 centimeter. Height capital H is 8 centimeter. Since it is completely filled with ice cream, can I say volume of ice cream? Volume of ice cream in pot is, what is volume of cylinder, children? Pi r square h. Pi capital R square capital H. Pi as it is, capital R square 12 square, H 8. I shall not go for any kind of calculations further. Cubic centimeter. Right? Children, this data will be helpful to you, or whatever technique I give you will be helpful to you for most of the sum. Irrespective, if they want you people to calculate, they might change the data and the calculation will be not as simple as what we are going to have in this. So be very careful. Be very careful when you apply this particular technique. I move on. Volume of ice cream in pot is pi r square h, pi into 12 square into 8 cubic centimeter. We now go for cone. For each cone. They say diameter. Diameter D is 4 centimeter. Therefore, radius R is equals to 4 by 2, 2 centimeter. You just need to write down a reason besides it. Diameter, radius is diameter by 2. Height, small h is 3 centimeter. Since it is again filled with ice cream, can I say volume? Volume of ice cream in each cone is, what's the volume of cone, children? 1 by 3 pi small r square h. Since we are aware about the formula, whenever we have question which is based on number, to find out number, we say now number of students is nothing but volume of ice cream in pot or cylindrical pot, one can say so, upon volume of ice cream in each cone. Now here also you can write down the values 1 by 3 pi r square h, which is nothing but 1 by 3 pi r square 2 square h 3 cubic centimeter. You must be wondering, sir had written over here, why sir hasn't written here? You can write down here also. Now we write down those values, pi into 12 square, which is 12 into 12, into 8, upon 1 by 3 pi 2 into 2 into 3. Pi gets cancels off. 3 gets cancels off. 2 ones are 2 6s are. 2 ones are 2 6s are. I am left out with 6 6s are 36. 36 into 8. When you multiply, you get answer as 288. 36 into 8 is 288. Final answer in their language. How many students can be served? Therefore, the number of students who can be served is 288. The number of students who can be served with the same ice cream is 288. I hope my children have understood this, right?